VERV stock analysis. Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. First thing, Verve Therapeutics, it's 9.5% up, which is a good thing. All I'm looking at is they're just really starting to pick up kind of lately. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, and I have invested 5 figures in the last 4.5 years. Courses, mentors, and one-on-one mentorship, you know. So I've seen what's making me money. Not only that, I've collected data of 39,000 videos, you know, using common factors analysis. In this case, VRV, I'm zooming out and observing where we typically are. I'm not obviously gonna just, increase is just not gonna go unnoticed. But guess what? Even on the daily chart, it's just falling up inside a supply zone. And unless I see the price break with a full candle close above $6, then who am I here to just force movements, right? I mean, in this case, yeah, sure, we have this demand, but again, for me at least, it all depends if either we're going to break these lows or that high, because now currently this is a no man's land. So that's how it's actually looking like for me. This is obviously not financial advice, and if there's no double breaks, then I'm not looking to either do anything. So that's my opinion. If you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.